step is when tadpoles turn into frog legs.